Hey man, you know where I watch. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and this is an update on the two incidents that had happened where a taxi operator had been killed and a JUTC bus driver had been killed. Two separate incidents, two different locations. However, it has been speculated that these two incidents are somewhat related. Alright, now here I'm going to play for you a audio of a person explaining about the incident where the taxi operator had been killed. Now in that audio, the person also talk about the JUTC bus driver that had been killed and also talk about a voice note. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play this audio for you right about now, so take a listen and observe.
Let me bring some clarity to that voice note, because that individual who sent that voice note don't hear what is happening and don't understand either. They just talk a lot. Let me explain to you that the JUTC driver never just come out of any bus and stab up anybody. What happened is that the taxi man said that the JUTC bad driving, cut in front of the bus and stop. He apparently licked the bus at the JUTC bus. So the driver came out to assess the damage of the bus and to see the damage that is on his taxi. Right? Altercation occur, some struggle, the man gets stabbed and him dead with him own knife. Right? And it is alleged that is not the driver of the JUTC bus stabbed him, but people are saying that it is him. But persons that were on the scene is saying it's not the JUTC driver. Now, for a reprisal, those men don't know nothing about the situation. Took it upon themselves to do whatever and kill the JUTC driver. Man who not have nothing to do with what happened. Nothing at all to do with what happened. Separate incident. You understand? So that man who sent that voice note don't know one crap where my chat say.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it, a audio of a person explaining as to how the incident where a taxi operator had been killed. Now in that audio, the person also talk about the JUTC bus driver that had been killed and also talk about a voice note. Now viewers and subscribers, bear in mind that some of the things that had been said in that audio might not be 100% accurate. However, I bring this to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what might have happened with these incidents. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, there has been some voice notes that have been sent out on social media where some of these voice notes has been considered as threats towards the JUTC workers of Jamaica. Now, the Prime Minister of Jamaica, which is Mr. Andrew Holness, gave statements towards these incidents, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to tell you in my words what I understand on one of these issues that the Prime Minister had mentioned in his statements. Now, in my words, as to what I understand from what the Prime Minister had said, he had said that those who use the social media to create a public panic should face the hands of the law. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it with you, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and posted. You can also tell me what you think about these incidents. Alright, so anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see.